In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome on Windows on ARM the right way, so you can make sure you download the correct version and verify that Chrome is installed properly. This is especially important if you're using a Windows device powered by ARM, because not every download or installer is automatically the same. If you choose the wrong one, you could end up with performance issues or the wrong build installed. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps from opening your browser to checking the version inside Chrome itself. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the browser that comes pre-installed on your device, which is Microsoft Edge. You don't need to install anything extra just yet. Once Edge is open, go to the official Google Chrome download page. It's very important that you use the official Google website because that ensures you're getting the correct installer directly from Google. When the page loads, look closely at the small text right beneath the main blue Download Chrome button. This part is easy to miss, but it matters a lot. The text should explicitly say 64-bit. That tells you you're downloading the version intended for your Windows on ARM device. If you don't see that wording, take a moment to double-check the page before continuing. Once you confirm that the small text says 64-bit, click Download Chrome. Your browser will then begin downloading the installer file, usually called ChromeSetup.exe. After the download finishes, open the installer and run it. Windows may ask for permission before the installation starts, so confirm any prompts if they appear. Give the installer a moment to complete, and then launch Google Chrome once it's installed. Now we need to verify that you're running the correct build. Open your newly installed Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu with all of the browser settings and tools. From there, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will open a page that shows the exact version information for your browser. This is where you want to look carefully at the version string number. It should explicitly say Official Build 64-bit. That confirmation tells you Chrome is installed and running in the correct 64-bit format on your Windows on ARM device. If you see that, you're all set. You've successfully downloaded Google Chrome, installed it, and verified that it's running correctly on Windows on ARM. This is the safest way to make sure you're using the right browser version for your device. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.